it's Lippy, and today we're going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. Feel stressed for me because I'm already stressed about it. Basically, I was thinking about videos to make, and I was like, hey, maybe I can do an everyday makeup routine. Then I was like, hey, that Tarte Shape Tape foundation is coming out, and you know you're gonna want to get it, so that's gonna change up your routine. So I'm gonna wait on that video, but I thought maybe I could do the 5-minute makeup challenge, but I mean, like, let's be worried, because I'm the type of girl that takes her laptop out and listens to music and watches YouTube videos and like does it, and then I'm like, oh, this looks good, and goes. Like, granted, I'm a college student, so I should be the type that's like, oh, I need to hurry up, but I just don't do that unless I'm in like a real rush. So let's just pretend like I'm in a real rush and do this 5-minute makeup challenge. I'm stressed. You might be stressed, you might not be stressed. This just might be super entertaining for you guys to watch. But if you guys are interested in this video, keep on watching. Okay, you guys are up close and personal. Are you ready for this? Because I'm not. This is stressful. I'm stressed. Let's do this. Okay, so just gonna put the hair back. Okay, we're gonna go set the timer. Timer, where you at? Okay, we're about to do this. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, it's going. So I got my Fenty. I don't know if I'm supposed to talk, but I got my primer here, and we're almost out of it. And so that's why we're not using the pump. Gotta put the primer on because I really don't want to have to redo my makeup today, so we're just gonna pretend like I'm not gonna have to, okay? Okay, great. Why is this taking 20 seconds to put on primer? Okay, so now we're gonna use the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation. This thing is always a mess everywhere, so hopefully it just works. It's already in my hair. That's great. I love foundation in my hair. A little extra ash to it. Oh my gosh. Okay, well that's just great. Just gonna blend this all in. I already got my beauty blender wet before this because I can't get up during the middle of this and wet the beauty blender. Oh my gosh, I'm stressed. Not bad though, not bad. It's blending. The fact that it's all in my hair is just great. I even put my hair up for this, and obviously that did not work. I had to like change the setup of this desk, so like all my stuff's not even where I normally put it. Okay, where's my highlight stuff? Here it is. Okay, I have my liquid highlight. I'm using the Becca Opal liquid highlighter, whatever it is. I'm just gonna do it where I normally do it. I'm not trying to like change up my routine, so I'm literally just gonna do what I normally do. I also use the Cover FX over as a highlight. I know I shouldn't, but I always just put a little right here and on the nose. So we're just gonna blend in this highlight, which should be pretty easy. Yes, blend. I'm not mad about this yet. This does not look bad. Great, okay. So now we're gonna use the Kat Von D palette. Get a little of this bronzer, contour. Oh, I feel like my acne scars aren't even covered up all the way. I didn't put enough. Okay, that was rough. I didn't put enough foundation on, I feel like. And I usually don't put concealer on, so that's just fantastic. I'm gonna go back and try to cover that up. Let's try to cover you up, and then we're just gonna have to put some. Actually, no, it's like right below where the highlight would go, so I'm just gonna. Okay, kind of a little bit, just blend that all in. Oh, I don't even know how much time we have left. 2 minutes! 2 minutes! Okay, where did this go? We're gonna use the ColourPop highlighter. How do we have 2 minutes left? And Over the Moon, put a little bit of that on top. 2 minutes? Are you kidding me? I'm stressed. I thought I had so much time. Okay, now we're gonna put some blush on. Blush brush, where you at? I can't find a blush brush. Okay, I have makeup all over me. So we're using Insightful from Tarte. Just, yes. And now we need a powder highlight because I am just extra that way. So we're gonna use the Kat Von D palette, and I'm gonna use Pink Opal and put some over that. How do we only have a few minutes left? We're just gonna use the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss because it's easy. Yes, okay. Eyebrows, eyebrow brush. Very important. We're just gonna do the eyebrows. I'm stressed. I don't even know how much time we have left. I can't even check how much time. Just gonna try to fill those in. We got 1 minute left. I don't even have anything for the eyes done. We can do it though. We can do it. Yeah, I would definitely never do my eyebrows this cold. What is that chunk? Yeah, blend in. Okay, well that's just, I'm stressed, it's hot, I'm sweating. We're just gonna blend all of this in. Now we're going to use a eyeshadow palette. This is literally the first one I have. It's the Lorac Unzip. And I'm gonna use the Undeniable, like a super just nude color all over the lid. We're gonna take some gold, put it on top. This is too much gold, y'all. This is too much gold. Who needs anything else? We got fingers. How much time do we have left? How much time? 30 seconds. I don't have time for liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna curl these eyelashes and put some mascara on them, because curling is key, y'all. Curling is key. So we're just gonna put some mascara on. Oh my gosh, how did 5 minutes, like for real, it can't even. I can't even. Okay, wow, we actually kind of did most of it. It looks like not great, but put some on the bottom. Oh my gosh, did we do this, y'all? Wait, no, we need to blend. Ah, okay. This is it. This is what it looks like. I mean, it's not that bad. My eyebrows definitely could use a little zhooshing, but like, okay, not bad. It could use a little bit of color in the crease and a little bit of eyeliner on top, maybe a little bit more coverage. But this highlight though, I put like 5 highlight products on, but I do that on the normal. There's definitely foundation in my hair. Okay, things are falling. That just fell. This is what it looks like. It's really hot in here. I'm gonna just go ahead and zoom out. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think about it, if I passed or failed this challenge. This is definitely more on the natural look, and the only reason I say that is because I don't have my black eyeliner, and usually I would put a little bit more detail into the eyeshadow, you know, not only use my fingers. But I mean, I got the lip gloss on, got the contour, highlight, foundation. Like, I'm pretty impressed by that, okay? We got some primer on this face. Wow, like the foundation honestly took half the time, and I didn't even realize like it would. And so by the end of it, I was like, oh, what do I gotta do? What do I gotta do next? But hopefully you guys liked it. As you can tell, I'm still like pretty hyper about it. Let me know if you guys liked this challenge. Let me know if I passed or failed this challenge in the comments down below. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It would mean a ton to me. And you know, if you hit that subscribe button, there is a bell icon button you can also click, and that just notifies you every time I post Witches Weekly. So if you guys want to see me next week, I mean, you can just click that icon button. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.